Hey, good evening and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called SUSSEXSANDRA and welcome. How are we all doing? Are we all doing all right? Yes, it's Saturday. It's the weekend. Must admit, I haven't been out today because we've got a weather warning where I am in the southeast coast of the UK. We have got some heavy blustery rain going on down here. Trees are bending like that, fences are bending like that, everything is bending like that right now. So yeah, I haven't stepped outside all day today. So great time just to clean up really and sit and watch movies, which is what I've been doing. Cartoon movies. It's fun. Just fun watching that. Anyway, so today I am doing the last of my August American beauty boxes and it's the Boxycharm Premium. So it's this one. Okay, so this one is the box that costs $35 a month, so it comes out every month. $35. You'll get, I think they say 6 to 7 full-size items. Admittedly, I've never received 7 items in my box. It's always been 6 full-sized items. I should say that from this month, so is it this month? No, actually, because they did take out $35. So I think it's from next month, November, the premium box is going up to $39. So it's going up $4. So think about this. I think the base box is going up. Has the base box gone up? I think the base box has gone up to $28. So that's tying in with the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which is now $28. And the premium box is, what did I say, it's $39 from next month. So everything's going up now, but what can we do? I will be making some choices about boxes I am going to be dropping. I've already decided that I'm dropping FabFitFun, and I'll jump back in if I see that it's going to have a decent box. So I've dropped FabFitFun, so as of now, I'm not getting the winter FabFitFun. I have dropped the Boxycharm Luxe because I just haven't been that impressed with the Boxycharm Luxe at the moment, which is the $50 box, so I've dropped that. But again, if I see spoilers for the December Luxe and it looks pretty interesting, I may sign up again for it, but we will see. So that's 2 boxes I have dropped already. Shall we see what we got inside this box then? Okay, I've kept my face fairly bare, so I've got foundation on, so I've got the Too Faced Born This Way foundation on. I've done my brows, so I've used the Benefit, what do they call this one, brow styler one, and that's it. I've got a bit of bronzer on, so I've got the Benefit Toasted Hoola on, and I've just got a lip gloss on, a lip oil on, and that's it, because I don't know if there's a palette in here, I don't know if there's mascaras, eyeliners, lipsticks, so I just kind of kept it simple, and hopefully there'll be products in here which I can apply. Let's go, let's see what we have in here. So let's open this up. Okay. Right, so that's what it's looking like so far. I'm seeing boxes. Every time I see boxes, I think skincare. And that's the thing. It's like a lot of the beauty boxes at the moment, the beauty box subscriptions, they have just been inundating us with skincare. I've mentioned this a couple of times now, but I'm just kind of getting sick of seeing all the skincare. I want to see makeup. Lots of makeup. That's what I want to see. So yeah, let's have a look and see what we got. So this was the Boxycharm in August and the theme was Go All Out. Okay, there we go. So first thing we've got is a skincare item, but it's from Wishful, which is good. Wishful is the skincare brand from Huda Beauty. So Huda, that's going to be, she's going to be the curator for the next Glam Bag X, so that'll be interesting. And that comes out, it's November, isn't it? So that's November's one. So here we go. So we've got from Wishful here, and this is the Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. Okay, a luxuriously textured jelly meets balm moisturizer infused with honey to lock in moisture for up to 24 hours and soothe skin. The addition of turmeric root extract helps minimize the appearance of hyperpigmentation and unevenness, while niacinamide brightens and visibly reduces the appearance of pores. The soothing lavender scent creates a relaxing and calming moment to enhance your self-care routine. And this sells for $49 in the United States. If this is a product that's available in the UK, I will put a picture up of it on the screen over here with the price in the UK. The site that tends to sell a lot of these more higher end brands tends to be Cult Beauty. That's kind of the site that sells most of the decentish brands. So let's have a look. Okay, so it's a pretty packaging. It's that kind of frosted sort of, I don't know if this is plastic or glass, I'm not sure what that is. And you've got that sort of holographic thing going on there. I am going to keep it because it's kind of said some things in the description. They sort of mentioned brightening, hyperpigmentation, they mentioned turmeric. So, you know, all that kind of thing. Those are key words for me. I'm hoping it's not going to be too rich of a product. It's actually quite thick. Look at that. It's quite thick. Definitely smell the lavender. Oh, that's really heavy with lavender. That's the only thing about Huda Beauty's products. Her products always are heavily scented. It's one of the reasons why I couldn't wear the foundation, because the scent was just so strong. I just found it really, really off-putting. Plus the foundation had a very red undertone, but the scent really was off-putting for me. So I'm going to keep this product, and yeah, we'll see. I'll get to it at some point. I'll try it out, see what it's like. I might look at some reviews first to see what the product's like for people with oily skin. See if it is suitable for me, because if it's not suitable for my skin type, then I might just pass it on, gift it on, or resell it or something. But yeah, I'll check first before I start using it. Okay, so that's the first item. Second item is from Vesca Beauty, and this is a Moonlit Dream Cream Shadow. So we have got a nice shadow here. So let's take this out. Let's have a look. Okay, here we are. So this, it says here, it's time to sparkle into the night with Moonlit Dream Cream Shadow, an ultra creamy gel shadow that delivers a budge-proof lustrous sheen for the lids. To achieve a shimmering moonlit glow, sweep a small amount across your lids with your fingertips, building up to your desired intensity with each layer, and use a smudge brush to blend into other shadows or amplify colour at the lash line. Suggested retail price for this is $28. So this is not a brand that's sold in the UK, so I won't find it here. Let's have a look and see what this is all about. Okay, that's what it looks like. Oh, that colour's brown. I don't know if that's going to show up on my skin. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so that's what it looks like. This is really a shadow? If they said this was a lip product, I would have believed them. Yeah, it's a cream shadow. Okay, well, let's try this out. I'm just going to put a... I can't see this colour working for me at all, but who knows, who knows. I've never worn a dark brown colour before. I'll bring you in so you can see what I'm doing here. Well, it shows up on my skin. It's just a colour I'd never consider wearing. It's not bad actually. It's not bad at all. I've gone a little bit high, but you know what? Let's just bring it all the way up since I've gone a little bit too high already above my crease. I've already gone way above my crease already, so let me just continue. That's not bad actually. What do you think? I quite like how that looks. I'm not sure if you're seeing it the same way I'm seeing it with the camera lights and everything, but I kind of like how that looks actually. I like that. I kind of like that. Okay, yeah, I like that. Alright, next item. Got something for the hair here. So you've got Your Hair Care Rainforest Mist Flawless Finish Hairspray. How did I manage to get a hairspray through customs and on the plane? Oh, it's a pump, it's not an aerosol. Okay, I was just going to say, because normally things like aerosols and hairsprays wouldn't normally be allowed, I'm bringing you back out again, wouldn't be allowed on a plane, and it would have been taken out of the box by SHIPITO. Right, so here we go. So this is your hair care rainforest mist flawless finish hairspray. Discover the magic in this mist with optimal light to medium hold and non-residuous superfine style. It casts an aromatic spell. Oh, sorry, it casts an aromatic spell that doubles as a hair perfume to boot. A non-aerosol formula. So there we go. A non-aerosol formula that makes traditional hairspray tremble. You can use after hot tools and let your hair's natural movement come alive because it's time for your mane to go against the grain. Suggested retail price is $28. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is obviously not a product that I'm going to be using because my hair ain't moving anywhere. So this is something I will probably put either in my next giveaway when I start that up, or I may resell it, or I may gift it. So this will be going somewhere. It's not a product I'll be keeping, but yeah, surprised that I've got a hairspray that's managed to come overseas to me. But it's not an aerosol, so fair enough. Right, next product is from Luxe, and this is a Willow Phoenix Rose Quartz Vibrating Facial Massager. Another massager? It's not like I need any more. I mean, how many of these things am I going to be getting? So this is it looks like. Yeah, this is it. So the Phoenix Rose Quartz Vibrating Roller will help you achieve that post-facial glow without leaving the house. The vibrating tool helps to contour and tone the skin, while the cooling rose quartz sculpts the face and promotes blood circulation. Use with your favourite serum or moisturiser to maximise the results of your skincare routine. How much? $79 they're saying here. $79.99, so $80. They're having a laugh. I'm sure I've seen products like this from on Amazon for like $20 or £20. That sort of price. It's $80 for this. So it's battery operated, and battery's not even included. Gosh. Water resistant, compact design. You know what? I'm not even going to open this. I'm not going to open this. I am just going to... I'm going to resell this one because somebody will want it. Yeah, I'm going to resell it. I'll probably put it on for £20 and see what happens. Yeah, I don't need that. I really don't need it. So $80. They're dreaming. I'll look and see how much the people on eBay are selling it, because in America they always sell their products. So I'll see what kind of prices they're selling it for over there. I'll see if it's being sold over here, and I'll price it competitively to anyone who's selling the same product over here. So whatever price I've seen it for being sold for here, I'll sell it cheaper. So you know what I mean, it's just so I can sell it. Wow, okay, weird. Right, next product is from Zoeva. This is a powerful lip twist. So this is this. So hug your lips with high precision and a powerful charge of pigment. Shape and shade lips with smooth, creamy comfort and pure colour. Powerful lip twist is boosted with raspberry stem cells with a strong moisturising activity. The thin filmed finish is extremely adherent, never dry and always comfortable. I don't know what any of that means. And the suggested retail price for this is $14. Okay. So it's a powerful lip twist. Shade I've got is Rhea, which looks like that. That doesn't look encouraging, that colour. Looks a little bit light, but we will see. We'll see what we've got going on here. This looks really light. Oh dear. Yeah, that's not a colour for me. No, that is not a colour for me at all. No. No. Okay, this box is rubbish. It's absolutely rubbish. Oh my word. Okay, so we've got 3 items. Well, there's one item which I'm surprised to. There's one item which I'm surprised to receive, but I have no use for, which is the hairspray. We've got the facial massager thing, which I don't need, but the price they're selling it at, or suggesting it is just stupid at $80. Then we've got a lip product, which is like, okay, something I could have used, but the colour's just completely inappropriate for me and goes completely against my beauty profile, which sort of says reds and berries. So that is no use to me whatsoever. So that is also going to go somewhere. Come on, guys. And the last product in this box is from LaRousse. Oh, LaRousse is that product LaRousse is that brand that had the 3 brushes, which they were claiming were worth $100 or $99, so $33 per brush. It's like in their dreams. Right, so this is LaRousse Beauty Face Disc. Wipe away your day with this alternative eco-friendly solution to disposable makeup wipes and cotton pads. It contributes towards a safe and sustainable planet due to its reusability and washability. The organic bamboo cotton has soft plush fibres that will gently remove impurities. Its versatility means it can be used for different types of applications. Suggested retail price is $24. Okay. So that's that's a price I can see, I can understand. So it looks like these are all sort of different feelings. They all feel different. So we've got this big thick one here. Do they say anything about it? Let's have a look. How to use wet face disc and lukewarm water. Oh right, okay. So you've got the white removes makeup. So this white one removes makeup. The grey one you can use to apply toners and serums. And this black one is to wash your face with. So yeah, this one's a bit thicker and, it's just thicker. The white one, will I say, to remove makeup? See, I would be going with the black one to remove makeup, especially my makeup. And this grey one is to apply toners and serums. This one feels almost very much like the Tati, I can't remember what she called it. I haven't got it here. Mine's upstairs. But, the Tati applicator. It feels very much like that. I wonder if it could be used in a similar vein. Oh, okay. Well, these are 3 products that, they've got a use, practical use. The price is reasonable, realistic price. But, gosh, man, this box is kind of rubbish. It really is. So the only product which I kind of like, and it surprised me, is this Vesca cream eyeshadow. I kind of like how that looks. So that looks alright. So I like that. I would have liked this if it was in a colour that was useful to me. I have no use for this whatsoever, so I will be selling that on. And the Wishful Honey Balm, I want to keep, but I want to check to see first if it's something that is suitable for someone with oily skin. If it is, then I will keep it. If not, then it will go in a giveaway, or it will also be resold. So literally, this box has 2 items that I could say with definite, I will be using. That's these 2 products here. Really? Really? $35, guys. You know what? The last premium box I had was the Anastasia Beverly Hills box. That box was stunning. That was just a fantastic box. So it normally happens when you have such a brilliant box. The month after is always crap. they got to balance it out, and they properly balanced it out. So yeah, this box is just a what do they call it? Wah wah. Yeah, this box isn't great. Oh well, there you go. So I will be getting the next box. They're all being shipped over at the moment, so I'll probably get that in 2 weeks. So I'll be getting my September boxes, and you'll see me start unboxing those in about 2 weeks, 2 weeks to 3 weeks time. But there you go, guys. That was my Boxycharm August, which was pretty pants, really. Hey ho. I'm going to be filming a couple more videos now, so you'll probably see me soon wearing the same outfit, but I'll have a bit more of a complete face when you see me next. Take care. Thanks very much for watching. I will see you soon. Bye.